It is noco GB150, and so the customer said he used to use it like with the car, 4 6 cylinder car, 2 jumps, and now do about 5 jump starts. So for this issue here is could be the battery is the battery life is getting weak. Yeah, for that reason it could be like need to replace the battery, and there is no battery replacement, but the jumper still work, is go all the way to green, and is boosting fine, 11.8 volt. So all the lithium battery life it's go weaker after the first year. Depend how you use the battery, depend how many time you charge it, and if you let it go all the way down to 0 volt, then you start charging it, that's gonna kill the battery as well, or make the battery more weaker. And here he said the charging port. So charging ports are broken, so maybe both of them. I can see this one looks bad, but this one here it's yeah, looks okay. So let's plug the amp meter and see if the 5 volt charger it works. Yeah, it works. So over 1 amp to the 5 volt charger, or almost 1.3 amp. Like you see, if you wiggle it, yeah, if I wiggle it, the charger goes, the amps go to 0, plus the 12 volt charger is bad. We're gonna replace the 12 volt charging port with this one. It's a good shape. And this is the 5 volt charger micro USB. So let's take it apart.
So the old way is quicker. At the moment, for these big beds, let's take the wire first. Okay, and one wire here. Alright. And we take this port. think it's the bad one. It's the good one.
So let's test the charging port. But first let's plug everything. Alright, let's plug it now. So now it's taking 1.5 amp from the 5-volt charging port. So that's better than how it was before. And let me plug the 12-volt as well. So I plug it to 12-volt. My power supply 12-volt. And it's charging. This is the 12-volt. The one is connecting to here. So it's charging from 12-volt as well. So this device is ready, and this is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you again.